We begin this evening with news that at least 13 people have been killed in several parishes across the island over the weekend. Crime scene investigators told TVJ News they have been kept busy in St. Thomas, St. James, Clarendon, St. Catherine, Westmoreland and Manchester within the past 2 days. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
It's been a bloody weekend. The police have been kept busy in several parishes. In Clarendon, a 35-year-old janitor, Joy Comock, was shot and killed this morning by gunmen. It's reported that she was at home with her children when she heard sounds coming from outside, only then to realize that a section of her house was on fire. She then went outside to further investigate and had started to put out the blaze. An explosion was then heard and she was seen running to the front of the yard, but she fell. She was shot in the back of the head.
I felt really bad about it. I'm just wondering who will be next. Because right now, as far as though I see, nobody's safe.
And no mercy on the women?
No mercy. Kill her, leaving her 3 children.
The children who were inside the house were not hurt.
Me would say, a man saved them, a nature. When we look upon them, the gunshot will come through the board them, and nature save them. So we have to give the Almighty, the Creator, thanks every day. This minute me there to some still I give thanks for it because me know say it's not a nice thing. If you lose someone in a nice.
In another incident in Clarendon on Saturday, 41-year-old street sweeper employed to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Cecil Clark, was shot and killed. In Old Harbour St. Catherine, 3 people were shot, 2 fatally. It's understood that the incident took place near the market. TVJ News also understands that one of the shooters was killed by the police. In Porus, Manchester, 3 people were shot at a bar, 2 died. Those killed have been identified as Claire Jordan and Marcia Mackenzie. A 70-year-old man is in hospital. 2 people were also shot and killed in Westmoreland between last night and this morning. In the meantime, more details are emerging about Saturday's murder of 3 members of a family in Georgia St. Thomas. Investigators theorize that the deaths may be linked to a land squabble. In St. James, where gunmen turned their weapons on mourners in a funeral procession, leaving 2 dead, investigators are linking the attack to a feud involving rival gangs in the parish. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.